If your passenger side windshield wiper stops working on your Mercedes, chances are it's one of the two nuts that hold the passenger windshield wiper to your car. So I found it easier to pop off the caps using a screwdriver with the hood closed. So pop them both off. You're going to need a long screwdriver for this. All right, once you get them off, then open your hood. Okay, so I'm using a 16 mil. I'm gonna put this on there. And an extension to make my life easier. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it here for a minute. When I was tightening this, you may have seen that that wiper moved a little bit further down on the windshield. And then once I went and tightened the other nut, it kind of moved a couple splines. So then when the windshield wiper was going back and forth, it made a loud thumping noise because that passenger windshield wiper is then hitting the base. So when you're tightening it up, make sure it doesn't move, or if it does, you're gonna have to re-loosen your nuts to move it back up and tighten it by holding that in place. Tight. Oh, so loose. Might be a 15 mil, but 16 seems to fit on there just as good. I tighten those up before I put the caps back on. I'm gonna close this. There will be a hood latch sensor that should disable your windshield wipers if the hood is open. So if both your windshield wipers are not working, come and re-slam your hood. All right, let's see if we got our passenger wiper back. Oh, look at that. So that one loose nut was enough to make it stop working.